Hey everybody, just doing another kind of quick product review. I've got my Mr. Buddy heater here, and I have the adapter hose to go to one of these big tanks. And I bought a new kind of heater, which is this. And this is basically an emergency kind of shop heater. Um, I don't have a lot of extreme cold nights where I'm at, but there are times where in a shop like this, you may be worried about things freezing and you just want like a little bit of heat going on. So, the Mr. Buddy heater is rated for indoor use. This is really more of a well ventilated uh, shop kind of heater. So I bought this basically for emergencies only. The thing that I like about it is that it's freestanding up here on the tank. So I've got this thing threaded in. It's a little goofy how it works. It has a selector knob here, off, low, high. And the way you fire this thing up is you hold up a lighter like so, and you turn it to the high position. And let's see if I can do this with one-handed operation here. I'm not sure if I can or not. Let's see if I can get this thing fired up like so. So you push in on this little red knob here as you light it. And then you gotta let this heat just for a minute. Now this is a brand new unit, so it's gonna burn off a little bit of coating, And then we let go of that little red tab, and there you have it. So yeah, this is just an emergency shop heat kind of thing. These are about $35 to $40. The Mr. Buddy heaters are much more. They're probably in the neighborhood of $75. So I thought, hey, as a cheap emergency backup, why not? I think this claimed, I feel it up here for sure. It's definitely putting out some heat. I think these were rated at like 15,000 BTUs, something like that. Anyway, just something to consider. I'm not really like a huge fan of this thing, but I figured for the money, in a pinch, if you just need some heat in an area that's drafty, I would not put this inside of a vehicle. I would not put this inside of your home. I would only leave it in a shop where you've got kind of a drafty situation where you've got a garage door and, just nothing's really airtight. There's always going to be a little bit of a draft flowing through the shop. So anyway, I definitely feel this cranking out some heat though. So let's turn this down a little bit. Definitely something to consider. Low price point. And by the way, this is like a generic unit. There's no brand name to this. I just went and bought the cheapest one I could find, like $33, $35, something like that.